你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is salt and pepper chicken wings. As recent as 20 years ago, people in the US didn't care about chicken wings, and the price of chicken wings was as low as that of chicken legs. Suddenly, American tasting buds have caught up with chicken wings. Nowadays, people love chicken wings so much that the price has gone up significantly, now at the same price as the chicken breast, which is the most expensive part of chicken. There are so many kinds of chicken wings: hot buffalo wings, sweet honey wings, sweet and spicy wings, Coca-Cola wings, Caribbean jerk wings, to just name a few. Buffalo Wild Wings, which is a popular restaurant chain based in the US with over 1,000 locations in the US and Canada, has about 24 kinds of chicken wings on its menu. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. The marinating sauce consists of 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 3 tablespoons Chinese cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. The coating consists of 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon white pepper powder. Mix well. 6 pieces chicken wings, flat parts only. We're going to use a small knife and pierce a couple of holes on each wings so that it's easier, quicker to marinate. The wings have been marinated for 4 minutes, 2 on each side. Now we are ready to coat them. Shake off excessive coating. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until it's hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the chicken wings on one side for 7 minutes until it is browned and crunchy. It's been 7 minutes. The first side is browned and crunchy. Now we're going to flip to the other side to cook for 7 minutes until the second side is brown and crunchy as well. It's been 7 minutes. The second side is brown and crunchy as well. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you will enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.